In this video, I will show you how to create a HubSpot account quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and search for HubSpot. From the search results, open the official HubSpot website. Once the homepage loads, click the Get Started Free or Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Next, enter a valid email address. You can use a Gmail, Outlook, or any other active email account. After entering your email, click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account for a faster registration process. After that, HubSpot will ask for some basic information. First, enter your name, then select your role in the company, and enter your company website if required. Next, enter your company name, select the size of your company, and choose your industry. Once you have filled in all the required details, click Create My Account. Your HubSpot account will be created, and you will be automatically redirected to your dashboard, where you can start using HubSpot's tools and features. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.